Hey everyone, want to use Excalidraw with your team? Excalidraw is a powerful online whiteboard that makes it easy for teams to brainstorm ideas, design diagrams, create project plans, and collaborate in real time. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Excalidraw with teams in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Excalidraw website. You can start using the whiteboard immediately without creating an account. Next, create the content your team will work on. This could be a flowchart, project roadmap, wireframe, mind map, meeting notes, or any other visual planning document. Click the Live Collaboration button to begin a shared editing session. Excalidraw creates a secure collaboration room where multiple team members can work on the same canvas at the same time. Copy the collaboration link and send it to your teammates through email, chat, or your preferred communication platform. Once they open the link, they'll be able to join and edit the whiteboard in real time. As your team works together, organize ideas with shapes, colors, arrows, and labels. Assign sections to different team members, group related items, and keep the canvas organized so everyone can easily follow the discussion. When the session is complete, save the editable Excalidraw file and export a PNG or SVG version to share with your team. Keeping both formats makes it easy to continue editing later while also sharing a finished version. And that's how to use Excalidraw with teams in 2026. Whether you're planning projects, designing systems, brainstorming ideas, or holding remote meetings, Excalidraw provides a simple and effective collaborative workspace for every team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.